Okay.
Here we go.
So we're finally here, performing for you.
If you know the words, you can join in too.
Put your hands together if you wanna clap as we take you through this monkey rap.
He's the leader of the bunch. You know him well.
He's finally back to kick some tail.
His coconut gun can fire in spurts. If he shoots ya,
It's gonna hurt.
he's bigger, faster, and stronger too.
He's the first member of the DK crew. Hans got style, so listen up, dude.
She can shrink in size to suit her mood.
She's quick and nimble when she needs to be.
She can go through the air and climb up trees.
If you choose her, you'll not choose wrong.
With a skip and a hop,
She's one cool calm.
he has no style, he has no grace.
This car has a funny face
He can handstand when he needs to.
and stretch his arms out just for you.
Inflate himself just like a balloon.
This crazy car just digs his tune. He's back again and about time too.
And this time, he's in the mood.
He can fly real high with his jetpack cars.
With his pistols out, one tough call.
He'll make you smile when he plays his tune.
But heavens beware, cause he's finally, he's here for you. It's the last member of the DK crew.
This Kong's so strong, it isn't funny. Can make a friendly ride out monkey.
Can pick up a boulder with relative ease. Make crushing rocks seem such a breeze. He may move slow, he can't jump high, but this Kong's one hell of a guy.
Come on, Cranky, take it to the fridge.
Walnuts, peanuts, pineapple smells, grapes, melons, oranges, and coconut shells. Oh yeah, walnuts, peanuts, pineapple smells, grapes, melons, oranges, and coconut shells.